Guys, so I'm treating puppy sticks on the belly. It fell asleep. Just look at it. After rubbing the blue cream on the chest area coming down to the belly, it fell asleep. So now I can check through the claws to see if I can find ticks. But it's clean, so clean, so clean. Let's check here too. Very clean. There's no tick. What's making me make this video is how he just slept suddenly. It won't allow me to just take a little tick out of the. You see? See? Just sleep. So this is the ear. I just finished taking out the tick from the ears. It's cleaned. I think the whole body is now clean. Just look at it. Look at this tick here. It's getting back. A typical tick. Okay guys, I found another tick somewhere here, just under the fur here. I got it. Is there any more tick? Yeah, there's more tick here. So just smell. After you rub it away with a dry cloth, something like a towel if you have a towel here. Puppy's just sleeping. He's just sleeping. Just look at him. Ordinary. Okay, so just look at it. Look at that. It will just bring the tank out and fill it again out. So this puppy decided to sleep. Sleep.